Another 3 points for you. The first 30 minutes were quite tough. We struggled to get in behind them.
Yeah, I think I said on Friday that it was a tough game that we expected. When we played down there, they were very resilient, very dogged. Got behind the ball, didn't let us get into any pockets in between them, and that proved it tonight for 30 minutes. So even though I felt we played well, we didn't get in behind. But after that 30 minutes, I thought we did. Jordan and George in particular got into areas, and then it was a question of a bit of quality to get crosses into the box. It didn't quite happen in the first half, but our second goal, was how we wanted it to happen. So I was pleased with that.
I think in the first 30 minutes we were quite lacking in the final third. We were getting the crosses in, but not getting that finishing touch to get the goals.
Yeah, it's just a little bit of quality that we needed into those areas and into the box, and then it was a question of getting more bodies into the box, which I felt that we did in the second half. I thought we were good in the second half and broke them down better than we did in the first. But it's understandable. We've got 3 games this week, and it was a little bit off it tonight. But expect to get a bit of rest and recovery for Saturday.
Jev's becoming quite a free kick specialist now. That's 2 free kicks. Oh well, not as good as his one at Flint, but he's getting the goals in with his free kicks now. Yeah,
of course. I mean, we know what Jordan's quality is, and we expect it every time when he gets a free kick, to be honest. But tonight was, let's say, wasn't as good as the one at Flint Mountain. But a goal's a goal. We'll take it, and we move on. And we know that anywhere around the box, him, Jordan, Kieran as well, have got that quality to score.
The second goal you mentioned, it was a brilliant team goal because we worked it from back to front. Does that please you with what you've worked on in training?
It wasn't actually training. We did it at half time.
Oh, right, okay.
So I was pleased. We spoke about getting in behind and getting down the side, and that's what we did. And that we did that better in the second half than we did in the first half. So it's something that we worked on and spoke about at half time. So we were pleased.
George Piers is knocking on Danny's doors with the goals now. I'm sure it's quite a healthy competition between them now.
Absolutely. They're working to assist each other, if you like. I think Danny put a couple of crosses in for George tonight, and vice versa. So I don't think they care who scores. I'm sure they do, but I don't think they really care. But to get 2 players score 20 goals each in the season is fantastic for us and shows it's a real team effort. But I'm sure they are wanting to be top of the goal scoring charts.
We face Mould on Saturday, which is going to be another tough game because they're on quite a good run. They've won tonight against Buckley. How will you prepare for that game?
Just a bit of recovery on Thursday, and then a bit of match prep to make sure that we're prepared for the game. As you say, Mould on a good run. They're a solid team, and to watch them on against Bangor on Saturday, I was impressed with what I saw. So it's a game that we want to win here. It's our last home game, and we've got a few targets ourselves to make sure that we hit at home. So we'll be going for 3 points there.
Okay, congratulations.
Thank you.